All I did was throw a chunk of mangoes up on my Ninja Blast and some berries. Okay, stuff the berries in. So let me know what could have gone wrong to this. Okay, keep watching. Watch till the end. So I put more berries and then I put milk on top of those fruits. After that, I stop with some ice. Okay, fill them all the way up. And then I close them up, snug it in nice and tight. Okay, here's the part that it didn't function. So I turn it on. It's blinking, the purple circling around. I waited until it stopped and then I press start. Okay, so I'm gonna press start. It gives me that jig jig. So I don't know what's going on. It gives me that jig. It won't keep on going. Okay, so I'm pressing on it. I don't know what's going on in here. It's not moving at all. It could have been the chunk of mango is too big. It's blocking the grinder part, the metal part to grind it. But I don't know, guys. So I turn it off. I unscrew it, tighten them up, and turn it back on. Then hold it down. I don't know. Wait until it stopped blinking, and then I press start, and right there, it moves a little, but I don't know. Let me know what's going on. Thank you.